Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your privacy settings on your Signal desktop version. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to install the Signal app, and after that we have to connect it with our mobile phone. And after that we need to click on the settings icon, and after clicking on the settings icon, you will get the privacy option here. So we have to click on the privacy option, and after clicking on the privacy, as you can see different types of option you will get. If you want to change your phone number, you will be able to see the blocked contacts here, and the read receipts options are also provided here. If you want to on the disappearing messages, you can also do that. You need to select the duration, how long messages should be run, and the storage. If you want to turn off your storage, you can also do that. If you want to delete application data, you can also do that. So this is your privacy settings. If you want to change them, you can also change these options according to your need. So in this way you can manage your privacy settings. In this way you can control your privacy on your Signal desktop version. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.